Hello everyone! Welcome to the Little Miniature channel. Today I'm going to draw and color a beautiful red bug. Let's start drawing. I will draw the head first. Then two beautiful eyes. Then a smiling face. I will now draw her beautiful body. Then two tops. And these are the four legs I will draw now. Okay, it's beautiful, wow! Then I will draw all the droplets on its body, like this. Oh ho, awesome kids, hey hee! Great! Now I am going to this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Amazing! Let's start coloring. Yellow color. It's yellowing on the top and bottom and on the face, like this. So friends, tell me how you feel. Then I will give it red color. Now I'm coloring it red, and it will be over soon. And I'll put black paint all over it, as I do now. Now I will give 4 points, brown color. Amazing! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you next video!